Don't you love it when you see a piece of artwork or an illustration and the landscape or the scene that the characters are being portrayed in instantly captures all of the emotions and the context of what's going on in that image? It tells you a lot about the story behind the characters, what they're doing, where they might be going, and even how they might be feeling. And being able to create these kinds of landscapes that really add a whole new layer of depth to your artwork is a really incredible skill that I feel is essential for any artist, concept artist or illustrator. This week's video is super exciting, guys, because I'm sharing with you my first ever Skillshare course. I've been getting a lot of feedback from people on Instagram, YouTube and in person, and the feedback that I've been getting has really been encouraging me to create a course. As you guys know, my style is very centered around creating a powerful storytelling narrative within my artwork, and a big part of the storytelling element is creating a landscape that contextualizes the story and tells the viewer a little bit more about what's going on. So in this course, I actually go through the 5 fundamental principles that I believe are essential to designing and creating beautiful landscapes that capture emotion and mood and contextualize your storytelling, and they really will take your art skills and your presentation skills of your ideas to a whole new level. After outlining the 5 fundamental principles and making sure that you understand them, I'll go through with you how I go about collecting my references for my landscape designs, and then I walk you through how I create 5 different types of landscapes using these very principles and the references that we collected. By the end of this course, you should feel confident in your ability to apply these principles in your own landscape designs. Your landscape should be looking more dynamic and exciting, and they should be able to capture a sense of mood and storytelling before you even place the characters into the scene. For those of you who don't know what Skillshare is, it's an online community-based learning platform for creatives. You can really learn anything on Skillshare. You can do classes on painting, photography, graphic design, logo design, business development. The thing that sets Skillshare apart from a lot of other learning platforms is that it's a project-based platform. So within each class, you'll be learning a lot of new stuff, but you'll also be asked to solidify your learning by completing a class project. And the great thing about this is that you can share your class project with all of the other people who are also doing that class, and you can get feedback not only from me, the teacher, or any other teachers who are running the courses, but also from the other students who have been completing that same course. And it just creates a really great community that allows you to build your skills in a really organic and natural way. So, as a Skillshare teacher, I'm able to give you 1 month of free membership with Skillshare. And the great thing about this is that means you can go and do my course right now, absolutely free of charge, with no pressure. All you have to do is follow the link in the description, click on that link and sign up for Skillshare, and then you'll have 1 month of free access where you can do absolutely any course that's on Skillshare in that time. And you know, if you're loving it and you decide you want to keep Skillshare, then it makes complete sense. It's a great platform and it doesn't cost very much per year for the amount of value that you're getting out of it. It will cost you less than it would for you to buy a new pair of shoes or treat yourself to a fancy dinner out with your partner. So it's definitely worth it for the long-term value that you get, particularly if you're serious about really developing your creative skills and taking your art to the next level. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you next week, and for some of you, I will see you in class. Bye.